Hello, this is Dia Damson, and today we are going to do a super fun fall tutorial of painting a pumpkin, and we are going to use watercolor markers, which will make it super easy. So that definitely it is good for a beginner. And if you have not bought watercolor markers, this is super cool and it makes everything very easy. So the first thing I am doing here is adding a few colors for the pumpkin, and we are making that bottom part a little bit more orange, and then I am going to start with the water right in the center of that area and kind of go in and make the rest of the markers wet, which will make them look exactly like watercolor, but it's very easy way to get it look like paint. And I'm gonna do that to all the little parts. And if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to get notifications for my future videos. So I'm emphasizing here on the shadow area with a little bit of red. My surface is slightly wet, which right away takes this paint coming out of the marker and spreads it gently so it doesn't look like a marker anymore. And also I'm getting the brown and adding slight shadow on the bottom and a little bit around the stem part. And on the stem, I'm outlining the stem and then just doing few lines going from the bottom to the top, and then very gently with not a lot of water in the brush, I'm gonna go over that area. The bottom part is using one of those greenish brownish markers, or yellowish brownish greenish and I'm just doing little lines from underneath the pumpkin coming out, and then I'm just gonna use slightly wet brush and going over them, and that will make it look exactly like watercolor paint, but it makes it super easy. I also will add a little bit of a background, and I will have the traceable for you on either my Facebook or on my website. And if you have difficulty sketching this, then that's going to be available for you, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to get notifications for my future videos. The reason why I chose orange for the top is to punch out that orange color from the pumpkin, so we really gonna notice that orange all around. And the bottom was just whatever color, muted, little bit of brown, super wet area, so the brown is barely visible, but it's there giving us a little bit of weight on the bottom. And yeah, this is it. Let me know how yours turned out, and happy painting. Thanks for watching. Bye.